Southfield, city never sleeps.
It's so dark in here.
In the city, American flag right there. Wendy's under construction right there. Fifth Third Bank money making stacks right over there. Westin Hotel, Microsoft right there. We at the comfort suites in the city that never sleeps, son. Look at this view. Northwestern.
It is kind of
Lodge,
cute on camera,
10.
but
Baller status.
this is funny.
Look how the wind blow on that flag right
Dang,
there.
this window opens though.
You see that, though?
I've never. I don't know where he at. Where he at though? It is Saturday, November 20th, and it's snowing outside. This situation. See that? You see that? Wasn't quite prepared for this, Michigan. Thought I would be gone by now. Here I am. It is snowing hardcore. See that? See that stuff? This is packing snow too. Jesus. Do you think that we're still going to be able to make our flight tomorrow night with this snowstorm? You do? Oh dang, my makeup look good. Hey, how you doing? Oh!
Where we going?
We're going to Troy.
We going straight there?
Yes, 12:08.
Ooh, I'm ready for that. The glass is missing out that back window. You see it? Oh, jeez, you gotta get a shot of that. Oh.
Can't really see it, so.
Oh, there's somebody sitting back there. Oh, Holly. Did you see it?
Yeah. Here he comes. Happy birthday! Woo! Yay! Yay! Yay!
Vacation.
Yay!
Angelo. I feel like vacations with y'all would be hilarious.
Oh, that's pretty awesome.
That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying.
Except for when I get
You
hangry.
have to do one of those, huh?
When I get hangry.
Go to Mexico, man.
I'm hungry.
Right.
Mexico.
We got to get back
Food.
on.
Riviera Maya.
Friend.
Riviera Maya, Cancun.
Husband. Maggiano's. Coca-Cola.
Yeah, matter of fact,
They're getting married. How long?
2 weeks. Exactly.
I missed it by 2 weeks. Way to go, Eben.
Way
What
to
a
go.
friend I am.
Right. Horrible.
Yeah, Michelle was in one of my, her bridal shower was at the end of one of my vlogs. If you watch those vlogs. Michelle's laugh is a piercing, wonderful squeal. And it is contagious.
I was laughing.
It is.
No one's ever described my life
I was laughing. Ebony and Wayne was laughing. Everybody else was trying to be professional. I was trying my best. My eyes were watering.
Missed it. It was an epic game of hot potato. We were playing. We were the last two standing. And I won. And now you're out. Now you're out. It's not fair. This is our hot potato. You always.
Kendall, take the dog. It's serious, man. No, it's a little bigger. Our dog is a little bigger. Our dog is a little bigger.
Oh, you're out.
We talking about now.
The food, yummy. I want to have hippopotamus for Christmas.
Where do we stay at?
It's hard to say goodbye. 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 All the family. Grandpa, do you want to say hello to the people of the internet?
Hello.
Hello. All right.
Again and again and again.
Again. Love you, Grandpa. Ah! All this snow.
Did you buy some stuff for me though? It's like, yeah. Do you have the key?
Okay. The fur coat is going to a better home. About it. I feel good about it. We gave away the fur coat. I feel good about it. How do you feel?
Seed, babe.
I feel good about it. Let's go to Nordstrom Rack, please.
Seed. Seed. Wait a minute.
Nordstrom Rack. We want Nordstrom Rack. Did you have fun?
Yeah, at our table.
I had fun. I had a lot of fun.
I love people, you know?
I love God.
I love
You
people.
love God? What's wrong with you?
People is who we be.
Love my love. Love my love my love. Love my love my love my love my love my. Love my love my. You ain't gone. I do.
Okay, yeah, bye.
It's now 6:43. Angela took me to the mall. And I had so much fun. I'll show you guys what I got later. But this snow is for real. This is for real, for real. I mean, I'm gonna show you guys. You can barely see. You can barely see. I pled the blood of Jesus. I told you it was gonna be a snowstorm. I said we better get out of here before the snowstorm. I told you, I was like, I want to get out of here before the snowstorm.
Through miles of water slides.
Look at the light! Golden reeds! Four falling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Take it.
So, I got this cape from Nordstrom Rack. I feel regal in it. I got this hat that I really like from Urban Outfitters. All thing looks cute. I got Urban Decay eyebrow stuff, Urban Decay makeup setting spray stuff, a beauty blender thing, and free lipstick for my birthday because I signed up for the Sephora rewards card. And I got 2 NARS lipsticks that are like, she said something about Taylor Swift and somebody else. I don't know, Jennifer Lawrence or Jennifer Aniston, I don't know. She dropped people when she told me about these colors, but I got that for free. And I got the hat, I got the little capey thing, and I got 2 pairs of sock boot things from Urban Outfitters. These red looking ones and these black and white looking ones. This is how we